from SisterDIY.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make strawberry sugar cookies. I love this recipe because it calls for freeze-dried fruit. So if you're not a fan of strawberries, feel free to use whatever freeze-dried fruit that you like. Let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is cream our butter and sugar. I've already measured out 1.5 cups sugar and 1 cup butter in my mixing bowl. Alright, so that looks nice and fluffy. So next we're going to prepare our strawberries for this recipe. So you could buy freeze-dried fruit powder already ready to go, but I'm Sister Michelle with SisterDIY.com, and today we're going to be doing it ourselves. So I have my freeze-dried strawberries ready to go. I'm going to blend them up in this personal blender. You can do it in a food processor, you can do it in a stand blender, whatever you want to do it in, but I'm going to be using a mini blender. You're going to want to let the dust settle a little bit. That was pretty easy. You could actually freeze dry. Oh my gosh. Hold on. So I only need about 2 heaping tablespoons. You could use more or less, but I'm going to use about 2 heaping tablespoons. I find that gives me the best flavor and the best color. Of course, more for more flavor and color, but that's what I'm sticking with. So you could save the rest for another recipe. Alright, so our batter looks so pretty. It's nice and pink. Next we're going to add our eggs. 2 eggs. And I'm going to mix that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so last we're going to add our dry ingredients. So in this bowl I have flour, baking powder, baking soda, and cream of tartar. Okay, so that looks great. Everything came together, and now we're going to put it on a baking sheet. smell amazing. So if you love sugar cookies and you love strawberries, definitely give this recipe a try. You will love it. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.